Protect your camera from the elements with our selection of the best camera rain covers. Designed to shield your gear from rain, snow, dust, and dirt, these covers ensure your equipment stays dry and functional in any weather condition. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best camera rain covers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which camera accessories you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the JJC2 Types DSLR Camera Rain Cover, ranked as the number 5 best camera rain covers available. Engineered for compatibility, this cover is tailor-made for DSLRs with lenses up to 18 inches long and 7 inches wide, ensuring a snug fit for Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm, Sony, Olympus, Panasonic, Tamron, and Sigma cameras. Designed with protection in mind, this rain cover shields your precious equipment from rain, dust, and mud without compromising functionality. Crafted from durable PE material, it remains see-through, granting unrestricted access to your DSLR's controls and viewfinder. Installation is a breeze, with a simple process that involves securely attaching the cover to your camera. The lens sleeve drawstring ensures a tight fit while still allowing for effortless adjustment. Enjoy unparalleled flexibility with this rain cover, which accommodates tripod mounting and the use of lens hoods. At an incredibly affordable price of $7, investing in the JJC DSLR camera rain cover ensures your gear stays protected without breaking the bank. Meet the Kiorafoto 2. Pack camera lens rain cover raincoat clear sleeve protector, hailed as the number 4 best camera rain covers. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this rain cover protector offers reliable defense against the elements for DSLRs with lenses up to 11 inches in size. Crafted from durable and completely see-through polyethylene, these rain covers provide a clear view of your camera while shielding it from rain, snow, salt spray, dust, and sand. The drawstring closures ensure a snug fit around your camera and lens, offering peace of mind in unpredictable weather conditions. Simple to attach and adjust, just pull the lens sleeve drawstring snugly for a custom fit. The compact design allows for easy storage and portability, making it a must-have accessory for outdoor photography adventures. Sold as a convenient 2-pack, you'll have a spare cover on hand for extended shoots or unexpected weather changes. Priced at $7. Discover the LensCoat Raincoat RS, renowned as the 3rd best camera rain cover on the market. Engineered to safeguard your camera and lens against nature's fury, from rain to snow, salt spray to dust, this cover ensures your gear remains pristine. Available in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, accommodating various camera body and lens combinations. Crafted from lightweight waterproof material, it guarantees breathability while providing optimal protection. Choose from an array of colors and camouflage patterns including black, green, navy, Realtree Max 4, and digital camo, allowing you to blend seamlessly with your surroundings. The Raincoat RS boasts a user-friendly design with cinch straps for adjustable length and a hook and loop bottom closure for easy access to your lens. It even features a mesh storage pouch for added convenience. Proudly made in the US, the large variant is perfect for lenses up to 21 inches, such as the 300 2.8 or 200 to 400, priced at $77. The JJC camera rain cover sleeve stands out as the 2nd best choice among camera rain covers, offering comprehensive protection for your valuable equipment at an affordable price of $22. Crafted from double-layer lightweight waterproof nylon fabric, it effectively shields your camera and lens from rain, snow, salt spray, dust, sand, and dirt, ensuring they remain safe and dry in challenging weather conditions. Designed for convenience, this rain cover features an oversized clear viewing window, that allows you to monitor your camera's LCD and controls without impediment. Its dual waterproof zippers provide easy access to adjust settings or attach accessories, while pinchable sleeves enable full functionality without compromising protection. Moreover, the cover's anti-slip design and inner drawing string keep the lens securely in place, preventing any unwanted movement during use. For added versatility, a top opening allows for the extension of a camera strap, facilitating comfortable handheld shooting even in adverse weather. Say hello to the Kiorafoto DSLR mirrorless camera rain cover, the ultimate solution for protecting your valuable camera gear from the elements. Crafted for professional photographers, this rain cover is designed to accommodate cameras with lenses up to 13.38 inches. Measuring 20.8 by 15.4 inches, this cover offers ample protection against rain, snow, salt spray, dust, and sand, ensuring your equipment remains pristine in any weather condition. The interior features a tight cuff design and non-slip straps, allowing for easy adjustment to fit your specific camera and lens setup snugly. Equipped with an ultra-clear viewing window, this cover enables effortless monitoring of your display screen and viewfinder while also providing touchscreen accessibility. Its dual adjustable sleeves and double waterproof zipper ensure seamless camera control, whether handheld or mounted on a tripod. Priced at just $14 the Kiorafoto DSLR mirrorless camera rain cover offers professional-grade protection at an affordable price. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.